How confident are you when you text your spouse or child or your financial planner that they are the ones receiving that text message and they are the ones sending the text back to you? A cool feature on your iPhone lets you verify who you are texting so that you know 100% that is the person that you're texting with. And essentially, all you need to do to turn it on is to go through a verification process. So open up the Settings app on your iPhone, and after you've opened that up, tap on your name at the top, and then scroll down to the bottom. You can see Contact Key Verification. Let me just tap on this, and I have it turned on. It says verify who you are messaging with by comparing contact key verification codes in person or over the phone. Essentially, making sure that whoever you're chatting with, whoever you're texting with, is that specific person. So all you need to do is turn on verification in message, but that doesn't automatically verify them. What you need to do afterwards is to hop into a conversation and then tap on that conversation person's name at the top, scroll down to the bottom and tap on verify contact. So this is just for my phone, so it won't show up with a code here, but essentially what you're going to do is tap on that on both phones. So for instance, if I were doing this with my wife, I would have my iPhone here. I would go to a message with her and tap on to verify, and she would do the same thing for me. And it would look something like this. It would pop up with a code that says contact verification code, verify who you are messaging with by comparing this code, whatever code pops up, over the phone or in person. And you can hit as mark as verified. Keep in mind, you can also do this on FaceTime as well. And then after you've done that, at the top, you'll be able to see a little verification code symbol. And at the bottom, it will tell you if there's an unrecognized device on that person's account. Essentially, what this means is that you can be sure whenever you're texting an important person, maybe your spouse, maybe your banker or financial planner or your attorney, that it's actually that person and it's not someone else spoofing their phone number and replying to you, and basically you're not talking to the person that you actually think you're talking to. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you leave a comment down below. Tell me that you like this, or maybe I was missing some things, and tell me what I was missing. And I would also appreciate it if you would share this with 1 or 2 people. It really helps me be able to grow this channel and continue doing these videos. Thanks, guys.